Hey guys, I'm Chicos. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did an Easter makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to use the shade Eden right on my crease. It's like this really light pinky shade. I'm going to use that brush that I came with, and I'm going to use the fluffier side. I'm going to start in my outer corner and then go into my crease. That's going to be my transition shade. And just keep going back and forth, and then I'm going to use that same brush, just the other side, and put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to use the shade Parallel. It's the dark brown, like chocolatey shade with BH Cosmetics. It's like a really dense short-haired brush. And I'm going to use that in my outer corner and then put that in my crease as well. And then in my lower lash line in the outer part. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with that Anastasia brush. And I'm gonna use the shade Pyramid and also Sphinx, which is that browner glittery shade. I'm gonna start off with Sphinx in my finger and then just pat that right on the middle of my lid and like the outer part. And I'm gonna use a concealer brush and get Pyramid and put that more like in the inner corner towards the middle, just to create more of an ombre. And then I'm going to put that also in the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm going to grab the shade Nylon by MAC. I'm going to put that right in my inner corner. And just with that same brush, I'm going to grab the L'Oreal Infallible Paints, the shade 312, it's Jet Set Blonde. I'm going to use the yellow side and put some of that right on my hand, and then just grab a detailer brush. This one's like an angled brush. If I would have had like a yellow liquid liner, I totally would have used that. I didn't really like this one because it cracked, but I still made it work, so. And then I used the Black Matte NYX liquid liner, and I just created a wing with that. And I'm also using that yellow right in the inner corner of my lower lash line. And for lashes today, I'm curling them, I'm putting mascara on, and using the Ardell Wispy lashes. I'm cutting like the inner half part and just using the outer part just to make it a more like natural looking lash. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll put all my social media links down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, chicos.